Want to master French numbers? Today we're learning numbers from 1 to 100 in French. By the end of this video, you'll be able to count, tell prices, and give phone numbers in French. Let's start. First, let's learn 1 to 10. These are the foundation of all French numbers. Number 1 is un. I have one book. J'ai un livre. Number 2 is deux. I need 2 tickets. J'ai besoin de 2 billets. Number 3 is trois. There are 3 people. Il y a 3 personnes. Number 4 is quatre. I want 4 apples. Je veux 4 pommes. Number 5 is cinq. Watch the pronunciation. 5 euros, please. 5 euros, s'il vous plaît. Number 6 is 6. Sounds like C's. I have 6 cats. J'ai 6 chats. Number 7 is sept, like sept. 7 days a week. Sept jours par semaine. Number 10 is dix, like dix. I need 10 minutes. J'ai besoin de 10 minutes. J'ai besoin de 10 minutes. Now 11 to 15. 11 is onze. 11 people are here. 11 personnes sont ici. 11 personnes sont ici. 12 is douze. 12 months in a year. 12 mois dans une année. 12 mois dans une année. 13 is treize. 13 euros, please. 13 euros, s'il vous plaît. 13 euros, s'il vous plaît. 14 is quatorze. I'm 14 years old. J'ai 14 ans. J'ai 14 ans. 15 is quinze. 15 minutes left. 15 minutes restantes. 15 minutes restantes. Now the tens. 20 is vingt. Very important base number. 20 euros. 20 euros. 20 euros. 30 is trente. 30 days. 30 jours. 30 jours. 40 is quarante. 40 kilometers. 40 kilomètres. 40 kilomètres. 50% off. 50% de réduction. 50% de réduction. 100 is cent. Perfect round number. 100 euros. Cent euros. Cent euros. There you have it. French numbers from 1 to 100. Practice counting every day, and these will become automatic. Which numbers will you practice first? Comment below. Subscribe for more French lessons. Merci beaucoup for watching.